everyone, welcome to NRI Sheroes, a podcast where we share stories of inspiring women who are making a mark outside of India. Our first guest is Divya Movar. She is somebody who originally hails from Bhopal and has been in the Bay Area for over 20 years. She is the winner of Mrs. Bharat California Elite 2021 and Mrs. Bharat USA Elite 2021. And if you are part of the Bay Area fashion scene, you surely know her name. She has also participated in New York Fashion Week and currently serves as the president of My Dream TV's California branch. She supports women entrepreneurs and has been a positive influence on me personally. Please join me in welcoming the dynamic and inspiring Divya Movar. Hi Divya, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Parul. Oh my god, that was an amazing introduction. Even I don't know so much about you. So thank you, and I'm truly very grateful and humble to be part of your show, NRI Sheroes. It's an amazing name, and I'm super glad to be here with you.
I'm so happy that you are my first guest because I think I am the most comfortable with you. So thank you for doing this for me.
Of course, of course.
Divya, just for our viewers, can you take us through your background, your journey from Bhopal to Bay Area? How would you state that?
My journey has been really great. I have no regrets. I was in Bhopal, as you said, for till my engineering, and then कीड़ा था कि बाहर जाना है, and I was one of the first engineers in my family as a female.
Okay.
And my dad always supported me, so it was just कि पापा बाहर जाना है तो क्या करना चाहिए. They started the process there was no objections or rejections or anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I started preparing. Final year, I am a mechanical engineer, so it was a great journey. I was with the guys, always felt like a queen in college because there were all guys around me.
Mm-hmm.
And GRE diya, then I started applying, and I got selected in few universities.
Mm-hmm.
So my dad said, it was a very interesting conversation, that my dad said, US jao, lekin I will not send you by yourself.
Okay.
So my F1 visa was approved and everything, but then I was like, okay, if you want me to get married, this is the guy I want to get married. So that's where the curveball came in, and fast forward, we got married. I came here on F1 visa. I started in San Jose State, is where I did my master's in industrial engineering, and it was all good. You do miss home. My first airplane ride was international ride.
Oh wow.
So it was a lot of new learnings and beginnings that we started together, and as I said, struggles तो हमेशा ही होते हैं, लेकिन इतना कुछ था आगे देखने को करने को that I always felt that it has been a great journey. And
what was the year when you first moved to the US?
I came here in 2001 December.
So it has been what 23 years
23
now?
years.
Wow. So आपने तो काफी ज़्यादा change देखा होगा तब से अभी तक में. Like आपको क्या लगता है कि उस टाइम पर like क्या challenges थे जो अभी somewhat जो नया आएगा US में उसको नहीं झेलने पड़ेंगे?
Of course, the Indian community has grown so much.
Yeah.
And it's so common now that you do meet Indian neighbors.
Yeah.
कभी office भी जा रहे हो तो you have a total Indian community, especially food. A big plus in last 20 years, especially in Bay Area, Indian stores, everything is so reachable. Clothes, little things that you used to miss in India, कि वो अब सब यहाँ available है. I think the सबसे बड़ा change जो है वो है video calling.
That's true.
Calling card use करके हम phone करते थे, especially when I was cooking. I'm a terrible cook. Cooking is not one of my passion, right? So कुछ आता तो था नहीं बनाना. I used to call my mom और पता चलता था calling card ही खत्म हो गया, recipe नहीं समझ पाए. So I think we have gotten long ways only for good reasons.
Right.
So.
Yeah, in fact I remember my mom used to make calls to my nani, and she was just making like STD calls, ऐसे local call नहीं, because I was staying in Delhi and my nani used to stay in Haryana. एंड उस टाइम पर नेशनल लेवल पे भी इतना महंगा होता था कॉलिंग, तो मेरी मम्मी ऐसे बूथ पे जाती थी कि अच्छा 100 रुपीज का उन्होंने वो लिया है, एंड देन शी वुड टॉक एंड सडनली बीच में अच्छा खत्म हो गया रिचार्ज. एंड आई कैन ओनली इमेजिन कि जब इंटरनेशनली कोई रह रहा है अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर तो और ज्यादा फील होता होगा.
एब्सोल्युटली. तब हम we used to use Yahoo, AOL, internet. There was no high speed internet, like a dial up connection, right? तो पहले वो कनेक्ट होता था, फिर हम कभी कभी स्काइप या याहू पे कॉल करते थे. बट yeah, there were struggles, but there was a joy in it क्योंकि everything was, there was more passion in it कि वो मम्मी से बात करनी. It's not like फोन उठाया और कॉल कर दिया. There were different things कि इंडियन स्टोर जा रहे हैं तो आज सारी ग्रोसरी खरीद लो क्योंकि फिर शायद you know they're far and few in between. या इंडियन खाना का जो जॉय होता था. So of course we have only moved, as I said, for better, but उस समय के भी challenges अलग थे और मजेदार थे.
Right, because I can only imagine क्योंकि I think technologically भी parents इतने aware नहीं होते.
Absolutely.
And in fact मेरी mom ने I would say last 7-8 years में ढंग से WhatsApp करना सीखा है. And now because हम लोग यहाँ पर आ गए हैं तो now she follows ऐसे Instagram and all पे हम लोग को. उससे पहले she was just off social media. तो उस टाइम पर you know Skype और ये सारी चीजें करना I can totally understand.
Like फोटो भी भेजना हो तो ईमेल अटैचमेंट the only way.
और उसमें भी कितनी फोटो
भेजोगे यार.
So मतलब मेरे को आपसे ये भी पूछना है, तो जब आप सोच रहे थे कि अच्छा मैं मास्टर्स करने बाहर जाऊंगी तो आपका मेन दिमाग में एजेंडा क्या था कि अच्छा मुझे बाहर जॉब करनी है या यू वांटेड एन एक्सपोजर कि नहीं मुझे देखना है कि इंडिया के बाहर कैसा रहता है. एंड जैसे आपने बोला कि योर फर्स्ट फ्लाइट वॉज इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट, तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि उस टाइम तक आप शायद इंडिया में भी इतना ज्यादा नहीं घूमे होंगे, तो ये थॉट भी क्यों आया कि नहीं चलो बाहर चलते हैं?
या थॉट क्यों आया, आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू अचीव द नेक्स्ट लेवल. तो अब कहीं तो जाना था भोपाल के बाहर आफ्टर माई इंजीनियरिंग, तो व्हाई नॉट अब्रॉड, राइट? एनीवे वी हैव टू ट्रैवल. तो माई थॉट प्रोसेस वाज कि या ट्रेन लो या फ्लाइट लो. भोपाल में आगे रह के तो जॉब करनी नहीं है, तो इट डजंट मैटर. सो लेट्स टारगेट abroad and explore the new territory, and it will also help our future generations to pave the way, right? If somebody paves the way, it's easier.
For sure. So, I agree. So in fact, like my sister, she moved to the US before me. I have an elder sister. She lives in Boston. तो हम लोगों का हमेशा ऐसा रहता था कि पहले जब हम लोग इंडिया में थे तो शी मूव्ड आउट इनिशियली, शी फर्स्ट मूव टू बैंगलोर. एंड जब वो मूव हो गई तो माई पेरेंट्स लाइक अच्छा ये चली गई है तो पारुल विल बी एबल टू मैनेज बिकॉज आई एम द यंगर वन, राइट? तो ऐसे ही सिमिलरली जब मैं वो यूएस पहले मूव हो गई, देन माय पेरेंट्स लाइक हाँ उसने कर लिया तो तू कर लेगी. सो डेफिनेटली ऐसा होता है कि अगर कोई भी एक इंसान कर लेता है फैमिली में, चाहे कोई कजन हो या कोई भी डिस्टेंट फैमिली मेंबर को हम लोग देखते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इट हेल्प्स. और पेरेंट्स भी थोड़े से रिलैक्स
हो जाते हैं. कोई है भले ही यू नो यू नेवर नो, यहाँ पे आके पता चलता है ईस्ट और वेस्ट कोस्ट में 3 घंटे का टाइम डिफरेंस है, बट स्टिल देयर इज दैट वो फीलिंग रहती है घर वालों के कोई है बाहर.
आप जब यहाँ पर आए आपको किसी भी टाइम पर ऐसा लगा कि यार मैंने ये डिसीजन तो ले लिया है बट इज इट रियली अ राइट डिसीजन, शुड आई मूव बैक, और कभी भी ऐसे थॉट्स आए आपको?
There's a beauty in not knowing everything, and the only time when I thought that I should go back is when I had kids, and I was like, how do I manage? How do I bring them close to my Indian roots? Right? So that's when I really thought, but it has been a beautiful journey overall, and my parents are able to come and they are able to give kids so much more. तो ऐसा कभी feel नहीं हुआ कि I am missing out much.
Okay, so now coming to the pageant. So यहाँ पर आप industrial engineering पढ़ रहे थे, then you had kids, and obviously आपको ये fashion का हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट था या यहाँ पर आके हुआ, एंड पैजेंट की जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई?
देन पैजेंट का थॉट शायद हमेशा से था बट इट नेवर सरफेस्ड. So when I heard there was a pageant in Bay Area, one of my friend told me. So I called my dream. I called Rashmi ji. And I said, Rashmi ji, what do you think I should do?
And for our viewers, Rashmi ji
is the CEO of My Dream TV USA.
Yeah.
And she has been my guide throughout this pageant journey from 2001. She has been my mentor, and I am who I am definitely because of Janak Bedi ji and Rashmi ji, My Dream TV owners.
Okay.
So then I talked to her for 2 minutes and I registered. I had 3 weeks.
ऐसी क्या conversation हुई that she convinced you within 2 minutes?
I really wanted to do it. So, you know, half of the battle is done when you yourself are ready. I was just wanted to know more about the platform. And one thing I really like about myself, not bragging, but I don't put too much thought. If I want to do something, I don't put a list together of pros and cons and nahi hua to kya. For me, because I was in a startup company and I just started that job in September and my pageant was in October. I was working 14 hours. There was really less time for me to prepare, but the only thought that kept me going that abhi nahi to kab. And if I want to do something, I want to do my best. I want to give my 100%, so I don't regret कि यार ये भी और कर लेती. तो that was my, and I was not worried about competition at all. क्योंकि मैं अपने लिए कर रही हूँ. I'm here for myself and not for anybody else. So that happened. I won Mrs. Bharat California in October, and then I came to know. Didn't talk to Rashmi ji and Janak ji much because it was such a busy day. And Janak ji जाते हुए मुझे बोल के गए दिव्या nationals में आना. I'm like okay, nationals भी है. So you know I didn't even had any idea कि और क्या है. And तभी you know my cousin was getting married in November and nationals was in December, and my entire extended family was here, and I was thinking कि maybe I should not do it. You know, nationals नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे. It will be all over United States. काफी competition होता है. And then I again thought to myself कि यार life will always have these battles. If I'm getting this opportunity this year, ज़्यादा क्या होगा? I'll come back. At least I'll get an exposure. So I went for nationals also, and it was definitely hard because शादी भी चल रही है, startup job भी है, kids भी है, and then you have to go to another state to compete. But all in all, it turned out really well. I won the nationals. Nice. I had no idea. Again, it was what matters is your journey, right? I groomed so much in those 3 days, and I'm always thankful that you know don't think too much and just learn and give your best and be humble to everyone. Everybody is ultimately a human, right? So that's how my pageant journey started, and you know since October of 2021 there has been no looking back.
Wow. Yeah. So when you thought about अच्छा मैं register करती हूँ pageant में, were there any comments from your friends or how did your family take it कि अच्छा मतलब if you are participating in a pageant, were they supportive or were there some questions कि मतलब pageant में क्यों part लेना है? Some people consider it vanity, I don't know, but were there any such instances that you can think about?
My husband has always supported me, and that support means the most. The rest of the people, I don't think I even seek their opinion. So his opinions, people will always have, good or bad. It's we have to walk the path.
Yeah.
So it's up to us.
Yeah. That's right.
My friends were very supportive. I think like-minded friends always. It definitely helps to have like-minded friends. And I don't even remember if people must have given me opinions, but I have a good filter.
That's good.
I don't even remember any of those.
So, what are the changes do you think you have noticed, or maybe the people around you have mentioned that okay, pageant के बाद you have changed in some way, like obviously positive way, but क्या changes आपने notice किए?
What you get is like I always used to volunteer for at work also. I used to go and help women, volunteer my hours to help women change their career, soft skills. I've been doing that for years because I did it for myself too. So I knew how hard it is to navigate. in my mind, I was always helping women entrepreneurs, or some way or the other, if people need help. What pageant has given me is an identity. Right now, when I walk in, I don't have to endorse myself that this is who I am. So you start at a base, like you have created that value, and people acknowledge that you have achieved something, and what comes with it is you have to embrace that feedback, right? As you said, pageantry for some folks, it's a vanity affair, but that's something that you have to prove, right? It's my crown, and where I want to take it, it's totally in my hands. So I got this platform, and now people see this platform with a lot of reputation. They know that we are making a difference, not just in Bay Area, across United States, right? So that's what pageant has given me, is my identity.
That's true. And I think when you participate in such a big event, it is a confidence booster.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
when I myself participated, I can see a huge difference in how I talk to people, how I've become more social, and how I conduct myself when I'm outside. So those are the things that even I noticed that, okay, this definitely changed me. As somebody who wants to get into that fashion scene, like how I wanted to, and I had your contact, so things were a little easier for me. But somebody who has just moved here, and that person, they want to get into the fashion scene, let's say in the Bay Area or California or in the US, what are some tips or suggestions do you have for them? How do they reach out to local businesses, or how do they increase their Instagram following? Because I know you have a very big following on Instagram too. So do you have any suggestions or tips for those people?
So my first suggestion is that world is a close-knit family with social media. That is such a great platform for all of us to keep close, right? Earlier, 10 years ago, it was hard to find your lost friends, but now you can just Google everyone on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, right? So use the platforms. That's first suggestion. Second would be that don't give up. If you really want to be in fashion industry one way or the other, like Parul did, you will find your way. You will find the pathway. There are so many avenues. So coming to like how to recognize these avenues, right? There's so many melas, or we do pageant twice a year. We do New York Fashion Week twice a year, right? I'm just a phone call away. I'm very active on my social medias. My Instagram is public. You can just search me. And there are so many melas, as I said, and we had this, when we do pageants, we do all day events. So if you are a little bit shy that, okay, मुझे पहले part participate नहीं करना, not many people are like Parul who will jump into the fire their first time. So you can come and watch our pageants. They're free to watch. Next one is happening on October 13th. And don't fear the unknowns. Don't worry about इसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगी. You will figure out a way. Parul is a crown winner. She probably did not know 6 months before she started NRI Sheroes, which she just did. So you never know what life is bringing to you, and with a crown, you do have your established identity, and that's the beauty and the responsibility of crown. So just reach out. Words come words, what the person will not reply, but at least you tried, right? So there's so many options to avail. You can reach out to Parul, you can reach out to me, you can reach out to Rashmi ji, Janak ji, and in podcast we'll list all the phone numbers for you, and their handles. So come connect with us. We love to have this platform. If I talk about My Dream TV, it's open to all ages, like from age 3 years to grandmom, granddad, couples, everybody is more than welcome. And I also participated in couples category in California and in nationals, and we won both.
Wow.
So the reason I told my husband that, first of all, I wanted him to be with me, and I said he was a male model in his in college days. So I told him that you participate in Mr. category, and he said no, I don't want to. I said okay, either do you do this or you do with me. He didn't say no, so I registered him in couples category.
Nice.
So, but yeah, again, don't take that chance. Life gives us a lot of blessings, so yeah, let's work on it, and we are only a phone call or a handle away, a message away.
That's true, and I think Rashmi ji and entire family of My Dream TV, they are very very approachable, and I mean, at least I can say that for myself, my social life has improved a lot after participating in pageant. So I think that also impacts your mental well-being.
Yes, absolutely.
So
yeah.
I think yeah, I mean, pageant is a great platform, and if you guys are interested, please reach out or maybe comment, and we'll definitely respond. So that concludes the first episode of NRI Sheroes. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you, Divya, for coming, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next episode.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much. Thanks, Parul.
Bye.
Bye.